I'm Jeff Walker. I run the SR75 Suzuki Supercross team. In my line of business, there are no shortcuts. Luckily, on my way to work, there are.
The all-new V-Strom 1050. Introducing the ultimate sports adventure tourer for every road. Powerful V-twin engine and high maneuverability that gives the rider more comfort on long rides. The master of adventure. New V-Strom 1050. The latest electronic control system helps the rider to brake in various road conditions. The Motion Track brake system has been updated by installing a 6-directional 3-axis IMU. The IMU constantly monitors the posture of the vehicle, and the ABS unit controls brake pressure according to the signal from the front and rear wheel speed sensors and IMU. In addition, the combined brake system optimizes pressure to the rear brake to help provide stable braking. As a result, this system supports the rider to continue cornering on the intended line. This system also allows the rider to select 2 levels of ABS intervention. Mode 1 gives minimal intervention. Mode 2 gives more intervention than Mode 1. The new V-Strom 1050 incorporates a slope-dependent control system. The IMU constantly monitors the posture of the vehicle, even when the IMU determines that the vehicle is traveling downhill. As a result, the ABS unit controls brake pressure to minimize the chance of rear wheel lift. The load-dependent control system supports optimal braking in response to load conditions. The ABS unit constantly learns changes in braking deceleration through the input of hydraulic pressure as the load increases or decreases in weight when riding with a load or in tandem. In response to the load condition, the combined brake system, which is controlled by the ABS unit, is designed to compensate rear brake pressure to support effective braking. The hill hold control system helps prevent rearward rolling, so the rider can focus on a smooth start when in a hill situation. When braked on a hill, the IMU monitors the posture of the motorcycle and locks the rear brake for 30 seconds automatically. The operating status is displayed on the instrument panel, and the ECM detects the rider's operation intending to start, thereby releasing the brake smoothly. When the rider squeezes the brake lever twice quickly, the rear brake lock will be released. The height of the screen and seat are adjustable so that the rider can select the ideal position. The screen has a variable height of 50 mm and can be adjusted to any of 11 levels without using a tool. Set it to the desired height with a near stepless feel. The seat can be adjusted up to 20 mm using a tool included at the bottom of the seat. A low seat is also available as an option. Since it was introduced in 2002, the V-Strom has charmed riders all over the world. Further evolving the V-twin performance with the latest electronic control system, the new V-Strom 1050 will expand your horizon. The master of adventure. New V-Strom 1050.